everyone, welcome back. For today, I thought I would share my makeup collection with you. I'll do a little bit of rummaging, maybe some gentle face brushing, and share a couple of items I use on a daily basis with you. So, to start off, I wanted to show my makeup bag. If you see my first video, you would have seen this back there. I did a makeup application roleplay. I really like this bag. It has a pretty nice texture. It has these voluptuous slips on it. It's a checkered background. This is a very here's what it looks like inside. It's a little bit dirty. I apologize. But it has this big compartment with a zipper as well. I have some of my bigger items in here. I'll show you a couple of those. And on this side, I have my brushes. I know I have a lot. I kind of collect makeup as well as my game board collection. So I have a lot of collections. But these are some of the brushes. These are actually most of my brushes that I use. I like this one. Use it for powder all over the face. It's really, really soft. I had it for a while now, but the bristles are really soft even after a few washes. It's a pretty good quality brush. Your chin, your forehead. It's really soft, huh? Let's see. I also like using this brush for eyes to blend out the eyeshadow. Just put it in the crease. Smoke it out. Blend it out. It's pretty good. It's by Morphe. Pretty good brushes. This one's fairly soft too. one for my eyebrows. Just to put them in place and kind of brush them up from a little bit of a shape. It's a nice one too. And then from the side, there are two compartments that I will show you next. I have to take them out because it's a little hard to hold everything. So this is the first one. It's the same design as the bag. And it's pretty rough plastic, pretty durable. Little zipper. Mascaras. I have a foundation here, but mostly it's mascaras. I have 3 mascaras in there. I actually got this one recently. It's Voluminous Superstar. It's by L'Oreal. And it's pretty good. It has 2 sides. It has this white side that you use as step 1. There's a little one there. You cut your lashes and make them kind of longer. It has fibers, I think, in there. And then there's a step 2 on the other side. And it's just a regular mascara you put over the white one. And it just creates really long, voluminous lashes. The other one's by Revlon, actually, also for volume and length. Kind of like 2-in-1 products, so I don't have to, even though I have multiple of them, but so I don't use multiple ones at once, if that makes sense. I like this one actually a lot more than the first one I showed you. I like this one. This one's pretty. It's called Lash Princess. I just wanted to make some mascara sounds because actually I personally like those sounds myself. And it's really hard to find videos where people do lots of them. And here I also have my favorite blush that I like to use with my blush brush. is what it looks like. It's not a very bright color, but that's okay. It's very natural, which is what I like about it. So I like to use this brush by itself. Go in there, pick up some product, and apply the cheeks. It's hard to see. Just put a little bit on you. Really pretty packaging. It has gold on the other side. It's shaped like a rose. You can see that in there. Yeah, I know I broke it. I tried to take it out and put it into another palette, but it started shuddering, so I just left it in its original packaging. So I have a concealer in here. I usually put this one under the eyes to kind of brighten them and get rid of some of the dark circles. Kind of like dotted. And I just blend it. There you go. These are some of my goodies from this bag. And I have another one just like it, the same size. This one has more eyeshadows, some lip products in here. Also has a hand and zipper. And my favorite chapstick in here. It's by NYX. It's called NYX Butter Lip Balm. And it's in the shade Brownie. I don't know if that's gonna focus. But yeah, I really like it. It's just a really quick lip balm. Just put some on you as well. There you go. So I have these ColourPop eyeshadows. One is gold and one is very British kind of color. It's very pretty and shimmery. Doesn't smell like anything, but it's really pretty. I actually like this one a lot. It's really gold. It gives a nice pop of color in the eye. They have a very interesting texture. They're very soft on the inside, like bouncy soft. If you guys ever tried ColourPop, you know what I mean. I also have a MAC lipstick in here. It's pretty nude. I like putting in the center of my lips to make them appear a little bit bigger, but my lips are not all that big. That's okay. Oh, I also have this awesome orange color. Nah, it's not really coming out as orange over the camera as it is in real life. So I can show you. It's very goopy. It's much more intense, as the name suggests, in real life. The color. Oh wow, it is getting really washed out on camera. Really like orange type lipsticks because they brighten up my complexion. And this one's by NYX. It's in color Banana Split. I'm not sure why bananas are yellow, but this is orange, so I don't know. Whatever makes sense. Look at it, but it's okay. I also have my eyeliner in here. Cat eye eyeliner. I really like doing the cat eye look. It's really easy to do with this one because it is a very fine tip. It's pretty good. I really like this one. It's very user friendly. I also have this e.l.f. It's supposed to be a blush, but it's very, very shimmery. So I use it as a highlighter on my cheekbones, nose, Cupid's bow. Let's put some on you. On your cheekbones. The other side. Your Cupid's bow. Chin. Oh, yeah. And as well. Pretty cute. What's the zipper? one. In here, I just put it down. I have my favorite foundation that I use. It's by L'Oreal and it's called Infallible Brunette. It's in the shade 102. It's one of the lighter shades because I am pale as a ghost. But I really like it. It has pretty good coverage and it lasts a really long time. It says 24 hours, but I wouldn't suggest wearing makeup for 24 hours. It's not really good for your skin. This is my third, I think it's my third bottle of this. I really like it. I also have my powder in here. It's by Laura Mercier. I think that's how you say it. It's pretty good. Leaves your skin looking really airbrushed. It's good during summer months when your skin is a little bit more oily. My skin can get a little dry during winter, so this can accentuate that, but I like it during summer, spring and summer months. There's powder everywhere. And it's translucent. I like putting it under my eyes after I put some of that concealer. Actually, let's do that now. Let's put some on you. Which brush should we use? This one. This one's soft too. It's very small, which is perfect for under the eyes. So we just get a little bit from the cap. Just put it under the eyes. Just like that. You look perfect. I also have this contouring palette by Wet n Wild, and it shows you how to use it. So you use the lighter shade in, like, on your forehead, under the eyes, chin, and then the contouring shade around the perimeter of the face. You just blend it all together. That's the dark and the light. I like it. Very soft powders. And pretty pigmented. and it's very affordable. White and Wild is very affordable brand. So I like that one a lot too. Most of my makeup is from the drugstore. It's very affordable and they have really good items. One last thing. Let's see what else can I show you guys. Let's see. How about another lipstick? This one's by ColourPop and it's a lippy stick in the shade Peppermint. Comes in this twist up tube. Semi-orange, just like the other one I applied. Let's put it on you as well. I know you have a lot of products on your lips now, but they blend together nicely. This one's very, kind of sweet. Blends in very nicely and it gives a little bit of a shine even though it says it's a matte. I don't think so. That's some of my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Liked my brushes. If you guys want, I can do a brush my face video, just using more of my brushes, because as you have seen, I have a lot of them. So if you guys want to see that, I'll be happy to do it. But that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoy. And I hope you guys will have a great week. Productive. And some fun moments in between. Joyful. And overall a great week. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.